What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Midnight Snacks.
Not so midnight today.
Not so midnight. As you can see, we're in the beautiful winter wonderland that is our home in Flagstaff. We all had a snow day today, so we figured why not do a special edition snow day, midday snacks. We don't really know what the fuck we're gonna do today, so
we'll just roll the ball.
Oh yeah, also we're talking to Jenna walkie-talkie. Because she's inside right now. She wanted to be warm, so this is how we're going to talk the rest of the day. So this will be a good day.
We're freezing our asses off for you guys.
Yeah. So what do you want to drink in there? You can actually just you can just tell me. First drink. Okay.
She's already prepared.
I will drink any snowball of your all's choice, though.
They're not snowballs; they are snow cones.
Can you ask Jenna? Does she know what's snowballing?
No. See, this is what's going to be awesome about this.
It's so good because Mike has no idea.
She says they call them snowballs on the East Coast.
So we get to have a two-way, three-way conversation.
Sorry.
I'm talking to them.
Oh. This is gonna be a hard day. Well, I say
this is wonderful because you and Mike get to talk, and you and I get to talk, and then I get to have fadeaways with just the people watching.
We're gonna be switching these off too, so it's not gonna be just me with this the whole time.
Do you know what I would say? Let's pour one up and let's start the midday, baby. This is Polish way how to keep yourself warm during
says
the
the Polish
person,
winter. Sorry, the more politically correct. The Polak says the Polak
yes.
that doesn't like vodka. But this isn't vodka. This is
it's not about liking things. It's about keeping yourself warm.
Yeah,
you don't want to have your fucking stomach frostbite.
You generally hate vodka though.
I rather to keep myself warm and drink something I don't like.
Man, I get service today?
Yes.
This is wonderful. What do you think is the most consumed drink in the snow?
She says, what do you think is the most consumed drink in the snow?
Bourbon.
He says bourbon. I kind of agree with him, like whiskey of some kind.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean whiskey, so technically a hot toddy is the number one, which is a bourbon whiskey drink. Yeah, for sure. I honestly thought like Bailey's or something like that would be in there, Irish coffee, but...
And let's start the snow day, baby. So, aside from that one, I think we are just going to do snow cones today. Because we have about a meter or a yard of snow
like
all around us. What do you think we should go with first?
Do you think I can jump from it?
Yeah, but dude, it's like a pile of leaves, dude. You know, it's like when you jump into it, it's not as cushy as it looks. It's literally just like hitting the ground. Yeah. Oh, my leg. Give me your cup.
That's amazing. We'll see proper winter bartending skills today.
Just toss it. No, you're supposed to leave some at the top.
I'd rather to have my cup flat.
Yeah, but it's like a proper American snow cone or
snowball.
I think we're going to play a little bit of a game because we can't hear each other from the other side of the wall. Now...
I can't hear Jenna at all.
Right. So I think you should tell us what to put in these. And he's got to guess based off of what your mouth says. Can you see her?
Yeah, I can see her, but she's got reflection of the light in the glass.
You can talk to me, but he's got to guess
I
what
will
you're
try
saying.
to guess.
Based off of the ingredients that you see here. Get creative with it.
Okay. I think we're gonna do a little OJ, a little White Claw Surge, and some Kahlua.
Did you get that?
Can I get one more time, please?
He wants one more time, please.
Orange juice, White Claw Surge, and Kahlua.
The funny thing is, I don't think he's going to know what that second thing is. You got to do it.
Okay.
One.
Orange juice. That was the first one. It's for me or for you?
All of us.
Okay. Should I just fucking pour it?
You know what, dude? This is your first time. I'm gonna let you I'm gonna be honest. I've never made a snow cone before, but I've just seen them. Okay, you don't put that much.
So is he building them based on what he thought I said? Great.
Watch out on your pants.
How much fucking orange juice do we need?
That's what I'm trying to fucking tell him. But I was just like, he's never made a snow cone before. He's probably never ever seen one made. So I'm kind of just letting him do his thing. But like, that's enough. Bro, you used like half the bottle.
We've got second one, don't worry.
He's smart. He's doing the non-alcoholic one to the brim, so he just has to put a tiny little bit into the food.
What's up?
I'm 100% sure that I heard Kahlua in it.
Okay, we'll
Can
put
you
it
pass
in.
me the Kahlua?
Yeah.
In Mother Russia, this is how we make snow cones.
So you got the second one, right?
That's pretty good.
Okay, dude, fucking chill. These are the most disgusting looking snow cones I've ever seen.
I'm gonna
be honest, I thought this was just the one that he had to drink. I did not know that all of us were drinking it. I would have made better choices.
And if I'm not mistaken...
She said she wished she made better choices because she didn't realize she was going to have to drink it.
Okay.
He got it. He fucking got it.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
That was fucking blind pick. We've got two different kinds, and I didn't know
she
which
didn't
one.
specify a flavor.
She didn't?
No, she said White Claw Surge, and that's why I was like, I don't think he's going to know what that is, because that's like, there's White Claw and then White Claw Surge. I think we got to teach him the concept of a snow cone. Also,
Teach me.
This
Teach me how to
episode
doggy.
is brought to you by the Lauderdale Landing, my favorite bar. No, dude, this is the first bar I ever drank at 12 years old.
You don't need a spoon because he poured half the bottle of fucking orange juice in there.
She says she says we don't need a spoon because you poured half the fucking bottle of orange juice in it.
Thanks, Mike.
I'm gonna pack these tighter next time. So the Lauderdale Landing is a bar that's in Wisconsin that I kind of grew up at. Now, you might have heard that I was drinking at the age of 12 at this bar. And you might be like, wow, that's illegal and you shouldn't be doing that. You would be wrong, because in Wisconsin, the legal drinking age is 12 years old, as long as you're with a parent. But oddly enough, I know I'm talking like a newscaster right now because I'm trying to sound stupid, but it's funny because the legal drinking age is between 12 and 18, as long as you're with a parent, because once you're 18, you're an adult, and you're responsible for yourself. Pretty much most places don't really care, but the law technically states that if you're between 12 and 18, you can, from 18 to 21, you cannot.
I feel like that's made up. I feel like I'm going to check this right now because I feel like that is something that your parents told you to make you feel better about them breaking the law.
Dude, I thought the same thing and then I looked it up and it's true. Anyways, guys, cheers. That's not bad, actually.
Holy shit. The drinking age in Wisconsin is 21. Those under the legal drinking age may be served, possess, or consume alcohol if they are with a parent, legal guardian, or spouse who is of legal drinking age. Those aged 18 to 20 may also possess but not consume alcohol as a part of their employment.
Exactly this. Yes.
Fucking weird, right?
Wild! Fucking wild!
I've heard wild. Haha. Cheers.
In Flagstaff, snow is delicious.
I can hear you.
You can see me. You can see me.
I
you
can
know what
hear
I'm
you.
saying.
You're not pressing
You
button.
hear
You
me.
need to press
You
the
know-
button.
You need your button.
Press the button.
I love that I automatically started talking like a deaf person.
Also, I definitely think you're talking like a newscaster because you have a headset on and it makes you feel so much more official. Because you're like, hi, this just in. Dante here. We're making snow cones here in Flagstaff.
By the way, this is new Apple VR. We'll be reviewing it soon.
It's so VR.
Shh. Enemy spotted.
Mike,
can't both have
your
a present.
accent through this walkie-talkie is so devious.
I heard genius.
I'm talking like proper terrorist from Counter-Strike now.
The bomb is
The bomb has been planted. Let's plant on B. Shh.
I feel like I'm in a proper video game right now.
A winter wonderland would not be complete without Zin.
Jenna, what's the temperature outside?
Okay, for the last 10 minutes, I've been trying to find how much snow we've gotten in Flagstaff by inches, and I can't fucking find it that easily, but I will find it's 22 degrees right now. It feels like 10.
Degrees,
Thank you for the info. Shh.
which is like 73 Celsius, right?
Ha! Ha! You just ear raped me like.
Me?
She just ear. Oh, my fucking ear. Jenna, what are we making next? Dante is guessing. And talk quieter.
No. Well, yeah.
Make it harder for him because I don't speak
How's
English and I
this?
can't understand your lip, like, movements.
Okay, are you ready? Is this better? Softer? Smoother?
Yes.
Is she saying it?
Yes.
Oh, no, I wasn't watching.
I kind of like this. I can say whatever I want to.
Oh, dude, she's talking like this, like, so I kind of feel like the words are coming out of her mouth. Tell her,
Okay.
Told her to
You wanna
enunciate.
start with a little bit of whatever's in
She's still doing it! Tell her to enunciate, because
Enunciate
Thumbs up
tiny
in
bit
here.
more, but still speak quiet.
be like, you're talking like this and tell her to watch me.
Dude,
fucking-
black and orange can.
Look at her lips. Look at her
But she's
lips.
going like, okay,
No.
Jenna, you're talking like this. I can't understand what you're saying when you're talking like this.
I know!
Say it one more time for him to understand, but quiet.
Whatever is in the black and orange can, I don't know what it is. Bailey's, Irish cream,
I can hear you.
and vodka.
Say 3 ingredients or more, but don't say any other words except for the ingredients because you're confusing me.
Okay, 3 ingredients.
Vodka mule, Bailey's Irish cream, Bloody Mary mix.
Okay, I know. Okay.
Oh, that looks fucking nasty.
The best part about me being inside is if I don't drink it, you guys can't really do anything about it.
Dude, it's like bubbling.
Dante will see you if you're drinking or not.
Mike took my spoon.
Where's your spoon? Oh. Dude, it's like chunky from the Bailey.
You know what? You know what is? You know what is reminding me? Doom Shake. Go and watch it, guys. Go and watch it.
Doom cone.
Why do you talk quieter when you're talking through the window? When you want me to hear something, you're like, my heart. But when you're telling the drinks, it's like you're like yelling it. Cheers, guys. Put it in your fucking mouth.
It's
not bad.
It's not fucking bad.
It's not bad.
Except of the taste of fucking tomato soup.
The next one's just Bailey's and vodka. It'll be fucking delicious.
You know what's really kind of shitty, guys? We were at the store grabbing some supplies, and I was like, yo, let's get some whiskey. And I told the girl, I was like, hey, just give us like a whiskey, just kind of joking. I was like, give us a whiskey that's like for a snow day. And she's like, I got the one.
Winter alcohol.
You know, it's like for a snow day. And she's like, I got just the one. And it was this adorable little bottle of whiskey, not little. And it had a little knit sweater on it. And we're like, yo, my God, that's perfect. She forgot to bag it and I paid for it. So
we need to go back to grab it. I like this small fucking sweatshirt. Small sweater on the bottom.
Oh, I thought you meant like one you're wearing, but yeah, dude, this is good actually. Like,
Jenna is asking if she can come and do the next one.
What?
The drink. I will go inside and we'll swap the places for a second. I can't feel my fingers anymore.
Oh my God, I got brain freeze. Fuck. Oh, fuck me.
Guys, if you ever will end up in avalanche, this is the thing which will keep you warm.
Except for your brain. Oh.
Is it painful?
This Apple Vision Pro thing is great. So I'm like, I'm on a beach right now.
Can you swipe on Tinder?
No, you don't go like this. It's like this.
I know. I can't do those five.
What's the pitch? It's like, boom, boom. Super like, you come here now. Okay.
Welcome in my cozy studio.
All right, Mike, I already told you the plan on the next one, okay?
Yes.
Damn.
Oh! Are we Mongo? Okay, let's make a fucking drink.
Let's go.
Let's put some Baileys in it.
I'm gonna fucking kill this guy.
I'm gonna fucking kill him.
Let's put some Baileys in it.
Dante said, and I quote, if you don't start enunciating your words so he can see, he's gonna put whatever he wants in it and you're not gonna like it. So use your mouth when you speak. Hey, none of the other words, just the ingredients. Remember, I got yelled at for this? Yes. Let's go.
Baileys, vodka, and Kahlua.
Okay, don't understand at all what he said.
One more time.
Nope.
No, one more time. Go slower.
Nope. He had his chance, and now we all have to suffer.
Dante, you dick, look at me.
He said, Dante, you dick, look at me.
Look at me. Look at me. Look at me.
His voice is so scary over the headphones. Like, if I were to be hearing that, like, and didn't like see the face or know the person, I'd be terrified.
Yeah, we're talking about playing hide and go seek in the woods with these.
Oh.
At night.
This is a stupid game. I like it.
He said this is a stupid game. I like it.
Yes.
So I'm gonna call these
Snowy Russians?
Yeah, Snowy Russians.
Snowy Russians?
I had the name when we were at the store.
Wow.
Cheers, guys.
Oh, he already started.
What a fucking loser.
What a loser. Oh god, that's so strong, Dante.
With what?
This is so much Kahlua.
Like vodka strong?
No, there's a lot of you did a lot of Kahlua.
But this is so fucking nice. I will finish this drink.
So I think I wasn't really measuring, even though I have chocolate.
He said, I'm gonna stay inside to finish my drink. You two have fun. Cheers. Hey, this one's fucking delicious.
No.
Can you hear me at all?
Yes, I'm just not paying attention.
Yeah, I'm used to it. Don't worry. I live with Dante.
Oh, come on.
What?
Forget about you. You're right there.
I forgot about you.
He said I live with him. I'm used to being ignored.
He needs it sometimes.
Hey, Macarena.
Hey, Macarena. I think we should show people how to do MRE during avalanche.
You want to show people how to use MREs during an avalanche?
We were talking about this.
I don't know what that means.
Do you know what MRE is?
Hey, can you go strain off the potatoes Okay, so you go strain off most of the liquid. I need like 1 inch of liquid. Let's call it.
He doesn't know inches.
I know.
3 centimeters. No, it's 3 centimeters.
He said I don't know how much is 1 inch. How about, do you know cups?
No, tell him 3 centimeters.
Okay,
Tell him
3 centimeters. I need 3 centimeters of liquid from the potatoes, and then the potatoes all in a bowl, and then I'm gonna come make mashed potatoes.
So anyways, back to the whole MRE thing, where we had the idea of like, being like, yeah, you know, this is how we survive in an avalanche, and you know, you're a bunch of pussies if you use MREs. We actually just have fully cooked meals, and that's what you should do during an avalanche or a survival situation. It's not as funny as I'm saying it right now.
Yeah, I'm glad we didn't end up doing that. I'm just kidding. The key in an avalanche or a snowed-in situation is to have someone who makes you food and comes and brings you pre-made food.
Yeah, or have 4-wheel drive.
Even though I got stuck today because
I think that's a skill issue.
No! Okay, how is it a skill issue?
How is it a skill issue?
Okay, so where
we literally have the same truck.
This is true, but what had happened was
What happened?
there's a ton of snow and there's a curb that leads into a little ditch, and I thought I was pulling up to the curb gently, but what I did was 4-wheel drove over the curb into a pile of snow, which made it really difficult to get out.
So what I'm hearing is it's a skill issue. What we're going to do is we're going to swap those. He was like, fuck, where's my volume? Mike, do you read me?
Copy.
Thanks. Over.
Sound of the actual, like, walkie-talkie, he'll be like, over and out. I'm like, no, that's what people do to...
What's the next objective?
Is you make us a drink and I have to guess.
I'm on it.
You finished it?
Yes. That was delicious.
I know, right? I used to
You
drink
look
White
so
Russians
comfy in this
religiously.
fucking...
I love White Russians.
You heard it first here, boys and girls. Mike is a white supremacist.
I'm just white superhuman.
He's like, I'm a white superhuman.
Why are you laughing at, Jenna?
He's like, what are you laughing at, Jenna?
What about Armenians? Ask Mary Phil about Armenians.
I can't hear you at all.
She says, how do you feel about Armenians? Or
I love Armenians.
he says he fucking hates Armenians with a burning passion, and he believes... No, he says he loves Armenians.
Good answer.
Good answer, Mike.
You have to tell me now. Hey, use your big mouth.
Po polsku będę mówił.
I
I will
can't...
give you 3 ingredients.
Move your mouth down.
She says, move your mouth down so she can see.
It's good.
My mouth is down.
The
My
mouth is down.
I see it.
Duvel beer.
What the fuck do you say? I couldn't even hear what you said.
Belgian beer.
Okay. I would just go with the simple term of that instead of the full description, if you know
I
what
know
I
what
mean.
he's talking about. It's definitely this.
Yeah, okay.
God, I know him.
Cat water.
One more time.
No. Nope.
I wasn't looking.
Okay, one more time.
Vodka mule.
I think so.
I don't think she can read my lips.
Nope, you gotta pick the second ingredient. What do you think it is? Ah.
That's not the second ingredient, but
Yeah, it was. Oh, yeah, it was.
that was third ingredient.
No, that was
second.
second.
Was cat water.
Oh, right.
Did I miss
Oh,
one?
yeah, you didn't get the second one. Nope, but we were using that. Cut water.
Damn.
He was saying, he was asking me, he's like, because she didn't guess it right, does she have to drink all of it by herself?
No.
Dogs!
Ah! Dad, why? A little beer float?
The
Yeah.
essence of the beer.
You're welcome. He's too happy in there. He's too happy.
Well, he's about to switch out.
I love it.
It's like creamsicle.
Thank you. Oh, it's so foamy.
You chose the ingredients, kind of.
She says, you chose the ingredients, kind of.
This was a collaborate. This one was a true collaboration.
I think it was a misunderstanding.
You say tomato, I say collaboration.
No, I did not say that.
That will be so fucking good for your taste buds.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
He's enjoying that seat too much. Belgian strong blonde.
I chose that.
Bro, it's not bad.
No, she was talking shit, like, she's like, what is this even? And she's like,
good.
oh, Belgian strong blonde, and looked at you like you chose that. I was like, wait, I actually chose that.
This is delicious.
I mean, it's not bad, I will say that.
I like this. I would eat
It just
this.
tastes like I'm drinking a beer slushy. Mike, have you ever had a Michelada?
I don't like micheladas, to be honest.
Yeah, me neither. Mike, swap.
Love your dad.
Your time in luxury is over.
I'm coming!
Don't come too much. But if anyone from the Lauderdale Landing is saying this, you'll know who I am. And I just want to say I love you guys. Thank you for these cups. My family and I, we carry these cups religiously throughout all of our households. I don't know why I'm saying this, but thank you guys. I can't hear you. Put the fuck. Oh, dude, I'm so glad we did this. This is cool. I'm glad this is a cool episode. I don't know if they're gonna like it, but to me it's cool. Let's put a smile on that face. On to the next. You ready?
Are you up for hunting today, my friend?
You ready?
Yes.
Bloody Mary, vodka mule, strong blonde.
It's easy.
Literally what you were saying before. Don't slam it and break the fucking table. Just push. Just push. Joe wants to know how tight you're packing. Oh, why am I talking?
Yeah, no, that's me. I heard myself. Thank you.
I said Jenna wants to know how tight you're packing it. Don't, Mike. We don't want to do full cups. Remember?
We can't fit it all.
She says it's so tight. We can't fit it all.
I will squeeze it in.
Did he
You will
just
squeeze it in. No, he said we should. He's like, I will squeeze it in. Double decky.
He has no idea how to fucking pour anything over snow.
I'm not going to tell him that, but I agree with you.
Okay.
Isn't it cold in fucking Poland? Don't they have fucking snow?
Bro, that's what I'm saying. He doesn't know how to do jack shit in the snow. Like, he didn't know how to build a snowman. He doesn't know how to drive in snow.
Bro, we've built
He's like, I've never seen this much snow in my life. I'm like, dude, you came from fucking Poland.
And in
he
Poland,
complains
we don't
about
have
the cold
too
all
much
the time.
snow.
I'm like, this is the way of your people.
Like, for real, he like says he's like this fucking Icelandic Viking and go fuck off, wear shorts and tennis shoes, can't even drive in the snow. Disappointment.
She says you're a fucking bitch, long and short.
Watch what words you say are coming out of my mouth.
I'm paraphrasing. This is how the media works.
This is called creative liberties, and I'm taking mine. Thank you very much.
She says we have.
Take the third one.
She says we have creative liberties, and I'm taking mine. I think that's what she said.
All right, Poland's annual average snowfall total is 100 centimeters.
Interesting. She says Poland's average snowfall is 100 centimeters.
When? Like 2 years ago, maybe.
He said, what year was that average? What'd you put?
Vodka mule, spicy Bloody Mary, and beer.
Oh, I thought there was vodka in there.
I said Bloody Mary, strong blonde, and the
vodka mule.
Yeah.
Not vodka.
This is exactly what I said.
Yeah. Sorry, my bad.
Okay,
Oh,
I
it comes
officially
through my
vote
fingers.
that we end on the Kahlua Bailey's mix again, because I don't like this as a snowball.
She's saying let's end on the Kahlua Bailey's mix again because she doesn't like this one. Not bad.
That was your choice, eh?
Only if I'm like hungover on a Sunday morning with
Cheers,
like,
everybody.
wanting.
Yeah, I feel like there's a really specific moment in time for
Bloody Mary?
for a Bloody Mary. Yeah, because it's just like that really is the hangover drink. That's what you do to cure it. But like it doesn't feel right drinking a Bloody Mary at any other time. You know what I mean?
Okay, Harry's Bar in Paris is celebrating the 100th birthday of the Bloody Mary. The vodka tomato juice based cocktail is believed to have been invented at this iconic watering hole in 1921.
You said Harry's Bar?
Harry's Bar in Paris, France.
She says in Italy, the Bloody Marys are Italian stallions.
This also says that Bloody Mary is actually a healthy cocktail. In addition to electrolytes, sodium, potassium, and vitamin C, tomatoes also contain lycopene, which is high in antioxidants.
She says in Italy they're considered, Bloody Marys are considered a healthy drink because of the nutrient base within it, because it's got electrolytes, because of salt, and all the other miscellaneous nutrients that I...
And tomatoes, potassium.
That being said, I want my Kahlua Bailey's slush again.
Also, welcome to our new studio, guys.
Yeah.
How many studios have we switched now? We had 1, 2, 3, 4.
Three times.
This is 4.
This is fourth time. We'll be recording here because they kicked us out from previous studio, unfortunately.
No, that's the last one is going to be our actual studio, but we just wanted to take it back. But because of our thing is just like we keep switching studios all the time, and we're about to do another one here soon.
Okay,
Here, I'll just
you
make
ready?
Yes. We already ready.
But you have to trust in the amount that he's serving us.
Okay, you have to watch because I'm not gonna just do what you think I'm gonna do.
Oh, I thought we're not doing that?
We do.
More Baileys. Baileys is supposed to be 3, 2, 1. Put a little more in here. I'm surprised how long this bottle's lasted us. It's almost from our first shoot.
Second shoot, yeah.
Yeah, it was one of, yeah.
Are you ready for some gelato?
Extra creamy, just for you. Extra creamy gelato.
Extra creamy gelato.
I feel like this needed more snow versus how much fucking shit you put in this. Cheers.
Happy snow day.
We could use a straw for it.
There's a lot of something in there.
I think a lot of
Fucking
halwa.
delicious.
Yeah.
I know, trust me, I'm a bartender.
Dude, I've had this tank of CO2 just chilling in my pocket.
What are you doing with paintball gun?
I don't know, maybe we were gonna use it for something.
What is Dante pulling out of his pocket?
Gotta take the safety off, stupid. Where'd you shoot? Where? Is it chopping?
No,
Where are you shooting?
in the snow.
Where? Oh. Yeah.
It's going through the snow and hitting the fucking fence.
It's goes right through.
It's piercing.
Oh, cool. Oh, there you go. One, two, God damn it. Yeah, it's running out of gas.
Yeah, that's why you had it in your pocket. Jenna, we need you here. That's how you keep yourself warm in the winter.
Snow cones and beer bongs. He's a natural. He's a fucking natural.
It's all foam.
Like a baby to a bottle. Is that how they bottle feed you in Poland?
Yes, with vodka and beer.
Come here, child. All right, well, that was Snow Day Snacks. Thank you guys for being here. This is awesome.
Thank you for hanging out with us.
We love you guys.
And see you on the next one.
See you next one. Bye.